The letter J makes the sound J. Put your tongue slightly back and push out the jumpy sound. J, J, J. Nice! Let's read some J words together. Jam, jam. Jet, jet. Jim, gym. Jog, jog. Jug, jug. Now read with me. Jam, jet, gym, jog, jug. Excellent reading! Now let's read with two words together. Jam, jet, jog, jug. Great job, friends! You're getting faster and more confident every time.